One of the final stages of the process is to apply our super slurry product. It's proprietary. It's our crystalline product that we apply for pretty much down the bottom 24 inches or so. We're a little bit more than that here. Now what this product does is it's going to crystallize and grow through the wall. It's not topical. It doesn't just stay on there like a normal paint, like a dry lock or something like that. This product on the wall is actually going to grow from the inside all the way through the wall to the outside of the wall. And what it does is it fills in every nook and cranny of the porous concrete and turns it into a non-porous cement. If it's non-porous, it can't absorb water. That porosity is what it allows water to get into the wall and cause all this white powder, which is efflorescence, which means chemically unfolding. The reason for this white powder is when water gets pulled into the wall, it pulls a little bit of the soil in with it. The soil in the Northeast has a little bit of an acidic quality to it, mild acidic quality to it. Walls are made out of concrete, which are sandstone and lime. Lime's the glue, it's the adhesive that holds the sand and stone together. That acid and lime are opposites. They neutralize each other. When the process occurs, it creates a residue. It actually pushes out the lime. This is like a lime salt that's being pushed out of the concrete. It's weakening the concrete. The less lime in your walls, the weaker your walls are. So what this product does is actually grows through and eliminates the porous nature of the concrete. By doing that, it can't absorb water, and if it can't absorb the water, it can't pull any of that acidic soil, that acidic silt into the wall, which reacts and causes this deteriorating process. These are lines, this is like water lines. This shows you on the outside of the wall, that's how high the backfill was filled up with water. What we're able to do with our drainage is have the water never get up to this level here and always maintain it from here down, which also gets an enormous amount of pressure off the walls and keeps it off the walls. That's what deteriorates foundations, that water pressure that builds up in that backfill area. We call it that false water table. It's false because it's temporary. It's very real while it's there. In other words, we get a big heavy duty rain, your backfill area, the soil on the other side of the wall fills up. It's very real while that's filled up, but it's going to go away. It's not your normal natural water table. So that's why we call it a false water table. So we're going to be able to maintain from this level down here, getting rid of all that pressure. That's a really good thing for your foundation. The only way to do it is a real significant amount of drainage, as opposed to the system that we just tore out, which was about this much drainage within the depth of the floor. The drainage below my foot that we've just installed is 12 to 14 inches down. With that kind of drainage, water will never even touch the bottom of the floor, let alone the way we saw the entire floor completely sitting in water. Huge difference. We've solved the problem as opposed to just trying to address a symptom of the problem. So it's good to have a solution.
The crew has been excellent, very clean, very professional. The workmanship has been exceptional. Peter's team has been out here for a day and a half, and I'm very confident that the water problem that I've had over the last 10 or 15 years is going to be resolved. They pulled out one of the older systems and put in the American dry basement system. I'm very happy so far with the workmanship, and I'm confident that in the future we're going to be looking at a dry basement.